Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get unrestricted on Wizz. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So let's say the kind of problem has been occurring for you to use your Wizz app. What you would do to solve it is simply gonna go ahead, access your settings of your phone first instead of your app. That same goes for your iOS users as well. Go ahead, access it. For the Android users, you're gonna go ahead, find this option called apps. For the iOS user, go ahead, find your option called general. Now we're gonna go ahead, find our particular app from over here. Same goes for the iOS users. Once you have got so, we're gonna go ahead, tap on the storage option, and for the iPhone users you will find this option of offloading your app. Go ahead, tap on offload app, which will keep your details but will swipe up all of the data. For us, we're gonna go ahead, tap on this clear cache option and tap on this clear data option, which will clear all of the data, and we're gonna reinstall app for both of the device users. Afterwards, you can access your Play Store, go to search bar and type in, go to search bar and simply search in search VPN proxy. Go ahead, install that particular app and connect it. Change your region to some other region other than yours, and again connect and check if it's connected to your device or not. Again, go back, access your app. It will definitely work out. That way you can go ahead, get yourself unrestricted from Wizz, and that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.